everyone, welcome back to my channel. This morning I've been working from home. For those that don't know what I do, I'm a personal assistant and I work either remotely or from the office. I will be heading very soon to an event called The Art of Negotiation with Lucy Chamberlain. The event has been organized by CWPA Club and it's going to be taking place in CANARY WHARF, London at lunchtime. After that, I'll be going to one of the offices also in CANARY WHARF, so that's going to be very convenient. I will be there until around 6 or 7 p.m. I have quite a lot of work to do. I've got some scanning to do, some archiving. I have to deal with expenses and grab all the receipts, check the posts. I go to the office once or twice a week. It depends what needs to be done. The executives that I look after, they travel quite a lot, so they were very happy to embrace this new business model to have a personal assistant in the office when they are there and when it's required. So before I go, I'm gonna show you the outfit of the day. The weather is really nice in London, it's about 35 degrees, so I decided to go with this piece. It's a dress from Chamberlain, which I got about a few months ago. I paired this with my black belt that I got in Sicily just for 10 euros. I just love this. It goes with so many of my outfits. You're gonna be seeing me wearing a lot. And then I put these shoes. They are from New Look. I got about two summers ago, and they are very nice height. They are very, very comfortable, and again, they go with a lot of my outfits. Of course, because I'm going to the office, especially after the events, I'll be putting my white blazer from Marks & Spencer. Let me show you. That's the dress with the jacket. The jacket is very nice and light, and it's a little bit long as well, so it's appropriate to wear in the office. I'm gonna pair with my Louis Vuitton and I'm ready to go. I just left the event, The Art of Negotiation with Lucy Chamberlain. It was a 1-hour session at the Boisdale Restaurant. The restaurant was beautiful and the session was really, really good. She gave us a lot of tips and suggestions and recommendations. It was a PowerPoint presentation. There were about 20 of us in the room and we got to know each other. They are all PAs and EAs and maybe even VAs that work around CANARY WHARF in London. Now I'm going to the office of my client to spend the afternoon there. It's just the building just behind me over here. 8 o'clock in the evening and I just finished my day here at the office. I'm gonna go and get the Jubilee line back home. I need to do a little bit of more work and then I'm gonna go to bed, so I'm finished for the day. I hope you enjoyed spending the whole day with me and get to know a little bit what I do on a daily basis. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I also have my Instagram where you can see the pictures of my daily activities, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.